Current level 1.2620. During yesterday's trading session, we witnessed a fake breach of the support at 1.2640, and the pair returned below the above-mentioned resistance. In case the bears prevail, a test of the support at 1.2600 is a highly possible scenario for today's trading session. If this level is successfully breached, we might expect a test of the next support level at 1.2554. In the upward direction, only a confirmed breach of the resistance at 1.2680 would lead to a change in market sentiments and provide a signal for further appreciation of the sterling. A test of the resistance at 1.2714 would be the most likely scenario.